A chocolate cake recipe is a must-have for every baker. This chocolate cake recipe is so moist and you can really taste the rich chocolate flavors since espresso powder and 2 types of cocoa powders are used. I'm going to use a few different ingredients than typical cake recipes, but they will help create a really moist cake. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. Add sour cream to a small bowl and then add the baking soda. Mix these ingredients together and then leave it sit while you prep all the other ingredients for the cake. This will puff up, so don't be alarmed that it will look a little different when you return to it. Add flour, cocoa powders, baking powder, salt, and just a pinch of espresso powder to a sifter and start sifting these ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. Sifting these ingredients will help break up any lumps in the cocoa powders and baking powder. I used milk and dark cocoa powders to get a mixture of chocolate flavors. I also used just a pinch of espresso powder to help bring out the chocolate flavors. Just a pinch of cinnamon or a little brewed coffee will also help bring out the chocolate flavors as well if you don't have or cannot find espresso powder. Whisk these ingredients together and then set this bowl aside. In another bowl, add the applesauce and vanilla extract and mix together using a hand or stand mixer. Then add the sour cream and baking soda, melted butter, and granulated sugar and continue mixing on a medium speed for about 1 minute. The applesauce and sour cream will take the place of the oil and eggs found in most cake recipes, but still helps create a really moist cake. Start adding some of the dry mixture to the wet mixture a little at a time and mix together. Make sure any leftover clumps from the baking powder or cocoa powders gets broken up so you don't end up with them in your cake. Continue adding the dry mixture until it is all added and combined. Even as it's mixing, you can already start to smell that chocolatey flavor. Scrape down the bowl as necessary to ensure that you get all the dry ingredients mixed into the batter. Evenly add butter or nonstick spray to your cake pans lined with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter into the pans and evenly spread the batter out. I also drop these pans against the counter a few times, which will help remove any air vegetables. Place these pans in a 325-degree preheated oven for about 25 minutes and remove from the oven once a toothpick comes out clean. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.